Hello everyone. This is in continuation to the discussion on the subject quantitative techniques, which is under NEP syllabus meant for 5th semester BCA. We are discussing about square roots and cube roots. The next question is question 12. Square root of 0.064 is what? So first of all, we can rewrite this as root of 64 divided by 1000. That can be written as root 64 divided by root of 1000. This is 8 divided by root 100 into root 10. That is 8 divided by 10 root 10. Multiply numerator and denominator by root 10. So we get 8 root 10 by 100. Because root 10 into root 10 is 10. 10 into 10 is 100. Yeah. Now we need to find out the square root of 10. So 10, we will put 3 decimals. The first one is 10 and then here 0. So 3 3s are 9. First perfect square which is lesser than 10. Then the remainder is 1. Copy the next 2 zeros. Put a decimal point here. Multiply that to 3 into 2. So you get 6. And we will have to put 1 only. 61. Here we get 39. Copy the next 2 digits. Double this. We get 62. The next will be 6. 6. 6 are 36. 3. 6 2s are 12. 15. 1. 6 6 are 36. 37. Next, if I subtract this, it will be 4 4 2. Double this 316, we get 32. I mean, we have to put further zeros. I think we can stop with this 2 digits only. So we get this one as 8 into 3.16 divided by 100. If we do this, we get 0.2528. That is the desired square root of 0.064. Next question. If square root of 5 is 2.236, then find the value of 1 divided by square root of 5. So we can rewrite this 1 by root 5. We will multiply numerator and denominator by root 5. We will get root 5 divided by 5. Root 5 is given in the question as 2.236 divided by 5. Now if we divide, we will get 0.4472. That is the solution for this. Let us move on to the next question, that is 14th question. A gardener plants 17,956 trees in such a way that there are as many rows as there are trees in a row. The number of trees in a row are what? So we will consider let the number of trees in each row equal to small n. Even they gave number of rows are also same. Given the number of rows is the same, so that is also n. Hence, total number of trees planted is equal to n to the power of 2. means n square. That is equated to 17956. 17956, which means square root of n will be, n will be square root of 17956. Now let us find out square root of 17956. So you have 1, the remainder will be 0. Copy the next 2 digits, double this 1, you get 2. So here we will have 3, 69, remainder will be 10. Copy the next 2 digits, double this 13, which is 26. And if we put 4, this will be 1056. Remainder will be 0. So your number of trees will be 134. That is the solution. Let us move on to the next. 1250 oranges were distributed among a group of girls of a class. Each girl got twice as many oranges as the number of girls in that group. The number of girls in the group was what? So here, let the number of girls equal to x. Now, number of oranges each girl received is twice the number of girls, which means number of oranges means 2 times x. Given total oranges is equal to 1250. That will be equated to number of girls into number of oranges. So x multiplied by 2x. That will be equal to 2 times x square. So when we have this, we will this is 1250. So that means 1250 divided by 2 will be our x square, which is 625, which means x will be 25. Means number of girls will be 25. Negative value will not be applicable because it is a count. That will be the solution for this question. Let us move on to the next. Find the cube root of 148877. So, similar to square root, we will be doing a long division. Here, after 3 digits, you put a comma. So, first cube we have to see. We have 1 cube equal to 1, 2 cube equal to 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, and 6 cube is 216, which means I should not choose 216, which is exceeding 148. I should choose only 125. So here 5 will come. We will write here 5 square and 125. And if we subtract now, we will get 3, 2. Next, all these digits we will copy. Now, further, we have to see which cube is ending with 9, which is ending with, 7. So we may notice 3 cube is ending with 7. So we will try and divide this 23877 with the 3. We get 3 sevens are 21, 2 8, 3 nines are 27, 1 7, 3 fives are 15, 27, 3 nines are 27. Which means we can consider 3 here. And then here it will become 7959. So you get this 23877 and it is 0. Therefore, the cube root is 53 for this question. What is the cube root of 0.000216? We had noticed here 6 cube is 216. So we can rewrite this as 216 divided by 6 zeros, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the power of 1 by 3. So that will be, numerator will be 216 to the power of 1 by 3. Denominator will be 30 to 1000. It is 100, sorry. So that means 0.06. Because cube root of 10 lakhs is 100, not 1000, sorry. So 6 divided by 100, which is 0.06. And the cube of 0.06 will be this number, 0.000216.